Assalamu alaikum. As you know that we are discussing the clausal structure of English language. And in the previous video, I have told you that what is the declarative clausal structure of English language, the English sentence, and if we have more than one clauses, what will be our structure and how we will draw the structure of that, the two clauses. And if you are new in our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates about language and linguistics. And see first the data. What are the example that we can generate within our model, within our diagram? How? See, we have generated the example. He said that John wrote a letter, and we have already told and we have already constructed the diagram that how we can generate the declarative clause. And if you don't know that how we can generate this type of sentences, you can click over the link and you can see the video. In that video I have constructed the diagram, the representation of that two clauses. And now see what is the interrogative clause and how we can generate the interrogative sentences in English language. See first the example. We have the simple sentence, John writes a letter. But if we say that we have to construct the interrogative sentence, what will be our structure? Our structure will be just like, does John write a letter? And if we have this type of structure, how we can generate this type of sentence in the English language? And see how we can generate the sentence just like this. See the example. This is the same example, but the minor changes in this example, and if we put these minor changes, we can generate the interrogative sentence of this type. See, we have the verb the write. Write takes a letter and it assigns it the theta role, and then we assign the agentative role. At this place we have the deep that is John, and this is our thematic structure. And our thematic structure we have the IP, and this I selects the whole VP as complement, and the requirement I is that it has APB feature and it has case. We have the two DPs. The case of this DP has been mocked, but this is the caseless DP. We have to assign this DP the case, and this I has the case. But the requirement of I is that it take that position some items, and we have the caseless DP, and it triggers this DP and takes this DP at specified position, and at this position it will assign the case, the nominative case. And if we say at this place, if we have the dummy verb, that is the does verb, the placement of does is this place, and over the IP we have the clausal heads, that is the C bar and CP. And what is the feature of the C? And I have already told you that this has the force, mean the finite force, the non-finite, the interrogative, the declarative. This possesses the force, and this is also the head, and this is also the head, and this is the strong head, and this strong head triggers the lower head and takes this head at its head position, and in this way we can generate the interrogative sentences, because this C possesses the Q feature, and for this reason, and this is also the strong head, and this triggers the lower head and it takes the lower head at its head position, and in this way our sentence will be just like, does John write a letter? This is the solution of the interrogative sentences. And if you are new in our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon if you want to know more about language and linguistics.